Hey, Reeve students, Miss Dean here, and this is a tour of your algebra class. At the end of this tour, I'll be asking you to take a little quiz. There are things here that I want you to know, expectations I have, and if you miss anything, you can always watch this video more than once. So this document you see right here, you will find in this week's folder on Schoology, so you can refer to it again later when you take the quiz or you have any questions about how the class is organized. I've linked right here the entire textbook series that we'll be using. You'll also be able to find that in Schoology folders, and I'll show you that in just a moment. It's really important that you know that this is a high school course. If you have a passing grade, you'll receive 1 year of high school math credit, which allows you to continue on with more math. I'd like that, or to take an elective. So here are the expectations. If you follow these expectations, there is no way you will not be extremely successful in this class. So the first one, make sure others hear, see, and understand your math ideas. Help others only when they ask for help. The reason I have that expectation is so that all of you get think time and you don't rescue each other and provide answers before people have had a chance to think about things. And also so you know that when you need help, you can ask anyone in your group, in the Zoom class, or even through email when you're not together. I want you to contribute when working in small groups and in pairs, and communicate with your teachers when you need more challenges. We won't know if you need more challenge unless you let us know you need more challenge. Then ask your classmates questions and stay curious until you understand their ideas. Every mathematical idea is worth thinking, including yours. And I want you to be able to listen to each other and understand each other's ideas and learn from each other. You can always make appointments with your teachers when you need someone to think through assignments with you. And please complete 3 or 4 assignments each week. That includes quizzes. So here's the list of things that you'll be learning about, and I'm going to show you those on Schoology in just a moment. Zoom attendance twice per week is highly, highly recommended. We'll be doing math together in Zoom. Assignments are due at the end of the day, the date of the due date. And then here's our grading scale. Again, this will be posted on Schoology if you ever need to refer to it later. So let's go over there right now. So what you're seeing here is last week. Every week, there will be a folder, and when you first see it on Schoology, it will look like this. It'll be closed. It'll be right underneath the Zoom link to math class. Open up that folder. Sometimes assignments will be contained within a folder if they require 2 steps. So in this case, you had to listen to a video last week, and after listening to that video, this assignment opened to write a letter. You had to post a comment to open up this assignment. And then there were 4 4s, your high school credit pledge, and your digital postcard. The digital postcard will be a weekly assignment, and that's an opportunity to learn to be aware of yourself as a learner. Think about why you're completing assignments. What's your why? What works for you? And how you do things. It's also a place to communicate any other questions, issues, or concerns with me or your other teacher, Mrs. Fisher. And then every week, the Zoom slide decks will be posted here. It's my goal to post them here before you come to class so you can get a preview of things. And it should open up right here in Schoology so that you can look through. This happens to be the first day of class. You can look through the slide deck and get yourself ready for anything that might be coming your way. And they're also here so that you can review them. So that's a tour of your class, looking at the class overview and also at Schoology. And as I go back to the main class window, there's only one other thing I want to point out to you, and that's that the calendar right here is your friend. This is a fantastic way to know what assignments have been released so that you can work on them. And then I guess there's one other thing I want to show you. If you go to the grade book, you'll be able to see all of the assignments that you have submitted. So I'm showing you this before school has even started. And so no one submitted anything yet. This is my view. When you look at it from your point of view, you won't be able to see everyone's work, but you'll be able to see your own. So thanks for listening. And I look forward to your responses on the little quiz, which is what you will do next.